Conditioners are very prevalent in many programming languages. Uh, every day in life we face situations where we have to make logical decisions. For example, if you don't have enough cash at the ATM, you can't withdraw it. If you do have enough, you can. There are several other examples. For instance, if the password and email you use to access, say, your Facebook account are wrong, you might not be able to enter that account. Um, if, for example, your name and passport numbers do not match uh, the values in an air ticket, you probably won't fly out. Let's quickly walk through an example. For example, I'm going to use cash, and I'll assume that there's this awesome pair of shoes that costs $150. Um, Sorry, if I have the cash on hand, and the amount of money I have in my wallet is 150, and that awesome pair of shoes costs $540, I might want to test to see if the value of cash is the same as the value of the shoes. Then I can buy it. In Python, we use the double equal signs to find out if numbers are equal to the other. So false means it's not equal. What happens if something is equal? So 1 is equal to 1, that would be true. Okay. Now that Boolean operation, that's what we call a Boolean operation, where we kind of are getting a Boolean value, and Booleans are just true or false. So let's quickly use something like this. We can use an if statement in Python, and then syntax for that is you start off with if, and then you have this value you're trying to compare against. So in our case, we're going to compare it against the awesome pair of shoes. Remember, that awesome pair of shoes has a value of $540, and the cash at hand in my wallet is $150. So we follow that with a colon. Okay. Now Python has a bunch of syntax rules, or kind of grammatical rules, that we have to follow, and every time we go into such a statement, we want to proceed with the next step, the logical step. To do this, we have to indent this line. So to do indent, we have to use 4 spaces. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here I can use a print statement that says buy the pair of shoes. Okay. Notice I don't get anything coming out of that. So if I'm to repeat this statement above, so I can have something like if cash the same as the value of awesome pair of shoes, 4, and that said buy the pair of shoes, else don't buy the pair of shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't buy the pair of shoes. The else is what happens if the condition above is false, or if it's not true, execute the else part. Okay, voila. Here we have the else statement executed.